Consider a 3-digit number. It could be any 3-digit number. Now what is the number? That is the question. We need to find out the number. Okay. So it's not a yes or no question. We have to find out the number. Okay. Now statement 1 says that the sum of the digits of the number is equal to the product of the digits. So we know that if it's a 3-digit number, then the digits will be 1, 2 and 3. Because 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6 and 1 into 2 into 3 is also 6. So that is the only possibility. So here it could be 1, 2, 3. It could be 1, 3, 2. It could be 2, 3, 1. It could be 2, 1, 3. It could be 3, 1, 2 and it could also be 3, 2, 1. So these much possibilities are there by using statement 1 alone. Now let's read statement 2. The number is divisible by the sum of the digits. So here in all these cases, sum of the digits is 6 because 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. So we have to check whether which of these numbers are divisible by 6. So any number which is divisible by 6 will be a even number. So I can eliminate all the odd numbers here. So I can eliminate this number, I can eliminate this number, I can eliminate this number and this number. So only balance is 132 and 312. Now we need to check which of this number is divisible by 6. So 132 means 6 into 22. Also 312 means 6 into 52. Okay, so both this number 132 and 312 are divisible by 6. So we cannot answer the question here. So either it could be 312 or it could be 132. So we cannot answer the question. So option D, the question cannot be answered by using both the statement. That is the right answer.